In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chat history in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable copy of your conversation, saved in a document you can revisit anytime, share, or organize alongside your other notes. First, head to your NotebookLM workspace. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the notebook where the conversation took place so you're capturing the right content. The interface may vary slightly, but you should see an area dedicated to your chats. Look for a panel or tab labeled Chat, History, or something similar. Open that section to view the full thread you want to keep. With your chat history in front of you, the goal is to select everything you want to save. Click at the very beginning of the conversation, hold and drag to the end, and highlight the entire thread. If it's a long session, it can help to zoom out a bit so you can see more at once, or scroll steadily and keep the selection active. Keyboard shortcuts make this faster. On most systems, you can use Shift+Click to extend your selection and then copy the selection to your clipboard. If you notice any content you don't want to retain, like personal details or sensitive snippets, deselect those or remove them after pasting. Now go to your Google Docs or the document tool where you want it to be saved. Open the document you plan to use, place your cursor where the chat should live, and paste the copied conversation so it becomes part of your saved notes. If formatting carries over in a way you don't like, you can paste without formatting to keep things clean and uniform. This makes the transcript easier to scan, search, and annotate later. If the chat is especially long, you can repeat the copy process in sections so nothing is missed. Before you move on, take a moment to scan the pasted text. Make sure the beginning and end of the conversation are included, speaker labels look clear, and any timestamps or inline references still make sense. This quick review helps prevent confusion later and ensures your saved record is complete and readable. If you plan to share the document, remove or redact anything private. That's it. You've opened NotebookLM, gone to your chat history, copied the conversation, and saved it into your document of choice. This simple workflow gives you a dependable, portable copy of your chat whenever you need it.